So tell me about your favorite dish. Do you have any favorite dish or everything is okay to you? Okay, whatever comes, just I want to eat. Okay, pav bhaji, pizza, okay. Okay, pizza. Oh, means all junk food, paneer tikka, dosa, okay. So you have your favorite dishes, right? You, yes, noodles. So rajma rice, great. Okay, champ, okay, cheese chili. So yes, okay, okay. Now stop, now stop. I actually want to eat these things. So now stop it, stop. We'll not talk about these delicious dishes, right? Yes, definitely we all have our favorite dishes, right, which we love to eat, right? Now in every part of the country, right, in every state, there is a local dish that is quite, you can say, famous. In Punjab we have sarson ka saag and makki ki roti, chane bhature, these types of dishes, right, which are very famous here. Whenever anybody comes from, you can say, from another state, we ask them to try these dishes. If you agree, I hope you agree, right? Now the thing is, why am I discussing these things about dishes and all? Why I'm actually tempting you to eat these things? Because our chapter is related to this, but not to this. Have you ever recycled anything? Or what are your views about recycling? What do you think? Recycling anything. If I want to recycle anything, is it good or bad thing? What do you prefer? Should we waste the things or we should recycle it? Okay, Sanchi is saying, yes, we should recycle. It is good. Recycling is good. Recycling in any manner, whether it is related to kitchen or related to any other thing. So our topic, that is our chapter is, see, wonderful waste. Have you ever heard this wonderful waste? Can waste be wonderful? What do you think? Can waste be wonderful? What is your opinion about this wonderful waste? Have you ever heard that, okay, waste, otherwise what we do? Waste, this is waste. Waste means throw. Waste is equal to throw. But here the chapter is wonderful waste, means something is wonderful about the waste. So we have to read it to find out what is so wonderful about the waste, right? Moreover, in our school also there are various activities which motivates you to utilize the waste in a proper way, right? So now let us see how waste material can be used in kitchen. Okay, I have also heard about something how to use that waste material in kitchen. I'll tell you later, but let's focus on the reading part first. Okay, page number 10. Page number 10. Come to page number 10. Name of the chapter is Wonderful Waste. See, the name itself is very interesting. It is waste, but it is wonderful, right? So let's start the reading. Okay. Uh, this time I am going to read and I will explain. From next time onwards, I'll unmute you and then you will read. Or I'll do one thing. First, I'll start the reading. And when I will feel that, okay, now I am tired, so you can start. What do you say? Okay? Okay then. So get your pencil ready. You have to write the meanings also. So keep your pencils ready. Wonderful waste, page number 10. Waste can be quite useful. Find out for yourself from this story. Now, okay, let's do one thing. Somebody said that they want to read. Jessica is here. Okay, Jessica, start reading. Good, Jessica, start reading. Then I'll continue, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Once the Maharaja of Travancore ordered a grand dinner in his palace. In the afternoon before.
Okay, I'm going to read it. Page number 10. Once the Maharaja, I hope you know the meaning of Maharaja. Maharaja means king. Maharaja, king. Yes, good, very good. So once the Maharaja of Travancore ordered a grand dinner in his palace. You already know that kings live in a palace, right? Palace, a place where they live, their house. Okay, so the story is about a Maharaja of Travancore. Okay, and he arranged a great dinner, grand dinner, a big dinner, a kind of party. Okay, so he arranged a party, a dinner, and then in the afternoon, before the dinner, the Maharaja entered the kitchen to survey the dishes that had been prepared for the feast. Survey means no, not Jivika order, that kind of order, nahi. Not a kind of order that we place on Zomato and Swiggy, not that kind of order. Order means command. It was his command, okay, that they are going to prepare a dinner, okay, and he invited everyone. Okay, he invited everyone to his palace, to his home, where they would enjoy the party. Okay, just in simple words, you can say he was throwing a party. Okay, got it? But as he was a king, so it was going to be grand. So he, whenever we have some kind of party or any kind of this thing, we start preparing early. We don't wait for the particular time, we start preparing. So same happened in the afternoon before the dinner. The Maharaja entered the kitchen to survey. Survey means to examine, to look closely. Okay, survey, to look closely or to examine, to check. To examine, okay? He entered the kitchen to examine the dishes that had been prepared for the feast. Feast means party, okay? Feast means party. Now what happened? As he was the king, so he had to be very particular about the things prepared that they were going to serve, okay, because it is about his reputation. So what he did, he just went to the kitchen to see the preparation, to see the dishes, whether the dishes were prepared or not, or how the dishes were being prepared. So what are you going to do with those vegetable scraps? Scraps. Now, there is one word, scraps. Scraps means waste. If I give you the short word, that is waste. Okay, scrap means waste. If you want the proper meaning, that is small pieces of something. Otherwise, scrap means small pieces of something. Something that you can say we that is left over. Okay, yes, yes, Jivika, correct, that we throw away. Scrap, we throw away. Okay, small pieces or leftovers. If suppose I'm going to cut fruits or vegetables, I don't use each and every part of that vegetable, right? Sometimes what happens, I discard some part and I use the other part. Got it? So scrap means you go with this word, that waste. So what happened? When he entered the kitchen, Maharaja entered the kitchen. What are you going to do with those vegetable scraps? Means vegetables, yes, this is good, peels of vegetables or fruits. But here in the kitchen, it was vegetable, okay, vegetable waste. He asked the cook, pointing to the basket of scraps near the cook. Okay. The cook replied, "They are waste. We will throw them away." He said, "Okay, this is just a waste material. Soon we will throw it away. You cannot waste all these bits and pieces of vegetables. Find a way to use them." Now, Maharaja, he said he was wise, right? And maybe he knew the meaning of recycling, and he knew that we should not waste anything. Okay, so he said that you cannot waste all these pieces or leftovers of the vegetables. Find some way to use them. You have to use the so-called waste, means the basket of waste. You have to use these, you can say, leftovers, peels, to make something useful. Okay, and whatever you want to make, you have to utilize these. Don't call it a waste. Now what happened? The Maharaja commanded sternly. Sternly means in a serious manner. Okay, sternly means serious manner. He was very serious. He was not joking. He was not saying it just for fun, but he was quite serious that time. And he said that you cannot waste all these bits and pieces of vegetables. Find a way to use them. The Maharaja commanded. He gave the order. Okay, now he gave the order sternly and walked away. And then he left the kitchen. Now, what do you think? Now the cook is in trouble or not? What do you say? Suppose you are preparing something and you were given some work. Okay, suppose you would be given some work, you have to draw something, and there is some waste material lying around you, and I come and say, no, your painting, okay, your painting is okay, but use this waste material also in your painting. What do you think? Means you are about to finish your painting. Suddenly I come and I ask you, use this waste material in your painting. Don't you think you will feel angry and you will be confused? Okay, now what to do? How are we supposed to use this waste material in my painting? Right? Some confusion would be there. You have to think now from the beginning. So same happened. The cook was in a fix. In a fix means he was now in a difficult situation. In a fix, underline this, in a fix means difficult situation. Now the cook was in a difficult situation. Yes, a fix means trouble. He was in trouble. Now you can clearly see, you can clearly feel his problem that yes, he was in trouble. Now, and kept staring at the vegetable scrap for some time. Staring means staring. Is it the car steering? Staring. Staring means looking at something continuously. Okay, looking at something continuously without moving your eyes here and there. Okay, this happens when usually when we start thinking now. Suppose I'm thinking something, I'm in a deep thinking, and I just keep on looking at something. Means that is just waste. I'm actually not looking at something, I'm just thinking. So this happens that time. Now what happened? Suddenly, an idea flashed across his mind. Now suddenly, an idea came in his mind, flashed across his mind. Suddenly he got some idea. Okay, he took all the vegetable bits, washed them, and cleaned them well. What he did, he took all the vegetable bits, all the vegetable pieces, that waste, he cleaned them properly, he washed them properly. Now what happened? Then he cut them into long stripes. Then he started cutting them into long strips, right? He started cutting them into long strips. He put them in a huge pot, big pot. Yes, Jivika, yes, correct. Then what he did, he put them in a huge pot and placed it on the fire to cook. Now, what was he doing? Nobody knew. Okay. But it was in his mind, he was trying to cook something, you can say. That is why what he did, he he sliced the vegetable bits and then he put them and placed into the it on the fire. Next, he ground some fresh coconut. Ground, he started making paste. He started crushing. Okay. Next, he ground some fresh mixing. Okay, kind of mixing, ground, otherwise piece na. Okay. Started crushing coconut, green chilies, and garlic together. Now the ingredients. Be ready. You are going to learn how to make something. Okay. So the ingredients, what he, how he started preparing it. First he sliced and then he started, he ground some fresh coconut, green chilies and garlic together. He added this paste. Paste is made of coconut, garlic and green chilies. Okay. Then he added this paste and some salt to the cooking vegetables. Okay. Then what happened? A tempting smell started coming from the pot. Tempting means attracting. Okay. Tempting means attracting. Tempting means attracting. Attracting means something that attracts us. Tempting means something that attracts us. So what happened? Whenever your favorite dish is being cooked at your home, the smell, the fragrance that you get, what do you think? Can you imagine a wonderful, tempting smell coming out of your kitchen, and you can quickly tell, okay, that is the dish being prepared by my mother today, right? So same way, a tempting smell started coming from the pot. Now he whipped some curd and added it to the curry. Curry, that gravy, that whatever he was trying to cook. So what he did, he whipped that curd to make it smooth. Okay. He started whipping that curd. Whip means started beating. Faintna jaise kehte hain. Okay. So he whipped that. He started beating the curd to make it smooth and added it to the curry. See the procedure, how he is trying to make something different. And then he also poured a few spoonfuls of coconut oil. Then he used coconut oil and decorated the dish with curry leaves. Curry leaves, I hope you know about this curry patta. In South India, curry patta is used if your mother cooks that sambar, idli, dosa or whatever. In those dishes also we use curry patta. So what he did, he decorated the dish with curry leaves, with green. Then is lo and behold, the meaning is given. Look, what a surprise. Okay. Lo and behold means look, what a surprise. The new dish was ready. Okay. The new dish was ready. The cook served this new dish to the guests that evening. Quite a risk. Now he was trying to serve something new that was made of what? Made of what? What was the basic ingredient? What was the highlight of that dish? Waste. Very good, Sanchi. Yes, correct. Waste. Yes, correct. It was the main ingredient was waste. Can you imagine? He was serving the waste to the guests. Now what happened? Everyone was eager to know. Eager means curious. Curious to know. Keen to know. Okay, curious. Curious to know or keen to know. They wanted to know. Excited. Okay, that's good also. They were excited to know the name of the new dish, because whenever we are excited, it means we liked that thing, right? जब भी हमें excitement होती है, okay, what is this? It means हमें वो चीज पसंद आई है. So the guests liked the dish. The cook thought and thought, because it was just a waste. So there was no particular name. So the cook started thinking, okay, what should be the name? So he thought and thought. Then a name came to his mind. He named it Avial. What was the name? Avial. It was, they have given you the pronunciation, how to pronounce. It's Avial. Avial. Okay, this is the pronunciation, Avial. Now, Avial became famous all over Kerala. Okay, it became famous all over Kerala and is now one of the dishes in a traditional Kerala feast. Like we have saag and makki ki roti. This is their traditional feast. Okay. Then what happened? And imagine, it all came from a basket of waste. Just imagine a famous dish that is now the part of their traditional party. Whenever they have weddings or any parties, they prepare this dish. And the dish the dish was made up of just waste. What do you say now? Is the title appropriate or not? What do you think? Is the title correct or not? Isn't it a wonderful waste that the guests means a king? It was about his reputation. Still, he asked them to use that waste. And then the guests, they liked it. Just see, that is why the name is Wonderful Waste. So, what do you think? How is the chapter? Isn't it wonderful? Isn't it wonderful to read about waste? What do you think, Sanaya? It means to look at something continuously without blinking. Look at something continuously. What do you think? Means we have just completed reading about something that was waste, but at the end it came out to be the best thing, right? So the chapter is over now, but you will give the answers of the questions on Monday. So go through the questions, okay? And then I'm going to ask you the question and you will give the answer. Okay, one more thing that I was saying, that I also know about a thing that can be made from the waste. That is, whenever we have leftovers of anything, like we have leftovers of vegetables or tea leaves, right? When after we make tea, we have tea leaves, chai patti, and then we have vegetables, peels of vegetables or fruits, anything like this. What can we do? We can take these things, we can grind, we can mix them, and we can use these things for our plants like a khad. If you have a kitchen garden, you can use it as a khad. I have seen it somewhere in some channel, recipe channel. I don't remember the name of that channel, but that was very good. Means instead of throwing them away, instead of throwing those beautiful, obviously that is waste for us, but those things away, we can utilize them. सबको पीस के mix them properly in a grinder or in a mixer. Yes, it is manure, yes, kind of fertilizer or manure for your plants. So I think it is a good idea. You can use this. I think that is maybe zest or some living food. On this channel, I have seen this. Mixing everything, not plastic and all, but the peels of vegetables and fruits, and then you can also use that tea leaves or other waste material that can be used, right? And then mix them properly, means make a paste and then use it as a khad. Okay? So what do you say now? Waste is not always a waste. It can be used in many ways. That is why we also prefer recycling. You can recycle your plastic bags or your clothes or whatever. So what do you think? Have you understood the chapter? Is it clear? Thumbs up if it is clear. Thumbs up. Only one thumb. Oh, okay, 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 okay. Now the rain of thumbs up. Okay, good. Very good, very good.